morning, dear kids. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Now tell me, what did you learn yesterday? You learnt about the three-number concept, big and small. Do you remember? Big means bada and small means chota, right? So let's revise this topic one more time.
Plant is small and a tree is big. A green car is big and a red car is small. Basketball is big and a tennis ball is small. An apple is big and a strawberry is small. Elephant is big and mouse is small. A goldfish is small and a dolphin is big. Bus is big and a car is small. A mouse is small and a lion is big. Football is big and a colorful ball is small. An umbrella is big and a key is small. This is big teddy bear and this is small teddy bear.
Children, now as you have learned the concept very well, we are going to do an activity of big and small. Okay children, so in this game, we are going to segregate some big and small objects. As you can see, I have one big basket and one small basket. So we are going to pick up big things from this tray and put it in the big basket or near the big basket, and small things in the small basket and near the small basket. So let's start. These are kettles. So which is big kettle? Yes, this is big kettle. So we will put the big kettle near the big basket and the small kettle near the small basket. Now there are two bottles. Which is big bottle? Yes, this is big bottle and this is small bottle. So big bottle in the big basket and small bottle in the small basket. Now I have two boxes. Which is big box? Yes, this is big box and this is small box. So we will put the big box in the big basket and small box in the small basket. Now there is a capsicum and tomato. Which is big? Yes, capsicum is big and tomato is small. So we will put the capsicum in the big basket and the tomato in the small basket. Now children, I have some keys here. Can you see? There are some big keys and there are some small keys. So we will put the big keys in the big basket and small keys in the small basket. Now I have two jars. Which is big jar? Yes, this is big jar and this is small jar. So we will put the big jar in the big basket and the small jar in the small basket. Very good children. Enjoyed this activity? So now I am going to give you one practice worksheet. Let's see the practice worksheet.
Okay children, so this is your practice worksheet. In this worksheet, can you see these two balloons? One is big balloon and one is small balloon. You have to color the small balloon. And next is big ball and small ball. So you have to color only big ball. You can even take the help of your mama and tell her to draw two balloons like this and two balls like this on one paper, and then you can color a small balloon and a big ball.
Okay kids, so do your practice worksheet very well. Bye for today. Take care, and I'm going to give you the solution of the worksheet tomorrow.